Nama Bengaluru is being inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Communications, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav.
The new picture that you saw today in terms of this 3D printed post office building, that's the spirit of India today. That's the spirit with which our country is progressing today. I can give you 10 examples. Nobody ever thought that India would be developing its own 4G and 5G technology. Nobody ever thought. Nobody ever thought that India would be manufacturing its very, very complex telecom equipment. Nobody ever thought. Actually, one of the industry veterans, Mr. Sunil, he mentioned that he has been in the telecom industry for about 35 years and never could he imagine that India would emerge as a manufacturer and developer of telecom technology. Nobody could have ever thought that India would be able to design and manufacture a world-class train equal to on the way to making its own bullet train. Example after example, sector after sector, nobody could ever thought that India would be exporting howitzer guns. Nobody could ever imagine that these kind of technological developments could even be thought of, executed, designed. The spirit of development, the spirit of developing our own technology, the spirit of doing something which in the earlier times was considered as impossible, that's the defining feature of these